Welcome back to Naturally Corporate. So today I'm using items from PYDANA Collection to achieve this beautiful twist out. I'm starting off this wash day with a prepoo, and for my prepoo I'm using the Luscious Locs Herbal Silk Hair Oil with Argan. This non-greasy multi-purpose oil is great for not only locking in moisture, but you can use it for a prepoo, a hot oil treatment, and deep conditioning. And I don't know about you, but I love when a product can give me a ton of bang for my buck, right? And the scent is so nice. I can't even explain what it smells like, but it's very pleasant. Just trust me on that. So my flat iron hair and scalp were pretty dry, and I knew I could count on this oil to revive my thirsty hair situation. I just parted my hair in sections and made sure to really get a good coating of the oil on my hair and my scalp as well. Now this oil is rich in omega fatty acids and vitamin E, helping maintain hair's natural moisture balance, strengthening the hair follicles, and adding softness and shine. And seriously, did I mention the smell? So after applying the oil, I just let it sit on my hair for about 15 minutes and then shampooed it out. Detangling after that shampoo was effortless because my hair was so soft. So after I shampooed, I began to start my flat twists. Enter the Avocado leave-in conditioner and the green tea and Babassu twisting butter. Remember how I raved about the scent of the oil? Well, friends, these other two items definitely don't disappoint. The slip from the Avocado leave-in made installing my flat twists super easy. It's lightweight and I didn't even have to use a lot. It has avocado in it, and that's great for hair growth and helping to moisturize dry, brittle hair. Keep watching and I promise you, I'll show you the shine that comes from using this leave-in. So I apply the leave-in and then layer on the twisting butter on top of that. Now, if you notice, I like to use end wraps when I use perm rods, and I use perm rods because my curls don't always go all the way to the end. So that's why I use the perm rods. But let me know in the comments if you've used end wraps, or if you use something else to protect your hair. Even if you use anything else, you may not. And they're so inexpensive. Literally a couple of dollars will get you a few hundred end wraps. So let me tell you quickly about this twisting butter. It's formulated with green tea, which stimulates hair growth. That's what we want. Plus, it has Babassu oil, which helps restore elasticity in your hair, among other things. It's the next morning and I let my twists air dry because I still haven't found a hooded dryer that I like. So you can air dry like I did, or certainly use a hooded dryer if you have one. To me, the outcome is just the same, so either one will do just fine. So right off, after taking off my bonnet, I noticed my hair smells so good. The smell is not overpowering at all. It's very light and very gentle. After the scent, the next thing I noticed is how soft and moisturized my hair was. Just phenomenal. So I just take out all the perm rods and then start to do a little separating and fluffing. So stick with me. I will share my final thoughts about this collection at the very end, although I think you have a pretty good idea of how I feel overall. Okay friends, so my results speak for themselves. You can see this beautiful, fluffy, shiny twist out. My hair is just amazing. It smells amazing and it feels really good. One thing I noticed, my hair has a very gentle, flexible hold. And a lot of times you don't get that without using a gel. So I know it had to come from the Twisting Buttercream. That's a very, very nice surprise. I have very soft, fine hair. So having this little hint of a hold means I know that I can get several days out of this twist out, and that's a great thing. These products actually all come in a kit. It's the Moisturized LOC kit, and this is the Herbal Silk collection. So you can certainly go to PYDANAcollection.com and get this kit, or if you want to try just maybe one item at a time to see how you feel about it, they are sold separately. And another thing I liked, these products all worked well together. I had no flakes, just nothing. They all worked really well. And unfortunately, sometimes products, even products from the same line, they don't work well together. You get flakes or just a lot of weirdness, but these three are amazing together. Also, I only used a little bit of the oil because I think this avocado leave-in conditioner was so moisturizing. After I finished that second flat twist, I realized I didn't even need the oil. I didn't want to waste it and just put it in my hair just because I've got plans for this. You can deep condition with this oil. You can also pre-poo like I did. So I just did not want to waste it putting it in if it didn't need it. The avocado leave-in conditioner had all the moisture that my hair needed. I kid you not. I did not have to add anything else. And the Twisting Buttercream, it smells great, has a lot of slip. Like I said, I know my hair and I know when products are just going to work. And I like that my hair really seemed to soak up the products. When I was taking my flat twist down, I got moisture on the pads of my fingers. That is an indication to me that, yeah, the products are working. My hair likes it. My hair is moisturized because I've got that moisture on my fingertips. I can feel it. So no doubt, I know that I'll get several days wear out of this twist out, and that excites me. I don't know. I really don't have anything else to say. You saw me from start to finish, and these results are fantastic. I love the shine. I love it when I take my flat twist out and I don't have to do anything. I don't have to do anything but fluff and maybe situate my hair. I don't have to add any sheen or anything extra to it because the products have done their job. The items in this line are truly amazing and my hair really likes them. This is a style, if you've never tried a twist out, try twist out. My channel is called Naturally Corporate for a reason. I like to share styles with you that can be worn certainly in the workplace, not just in the workplace, but anywhere. But particularly if you are a chemical-free, natural-haired person and you just want some good, fun, functional, workable styles to wear to your corporate setting, that's what my channel is all about. So I would say if you like this twist out, please try PYDANA. I've got plans for the rest of these products. Lots more twist outs and flexi rod sets in my future. So friends, if you've liked what I shared in this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment to let me know if you have tried PYDANA or if you plan to. Just give me your thoughts on what you think about how my hair came out. I love to hear from you. So until next time, thank you so much for watching and keep it naturally corporate.